way to yoga right now. So I'm driving to the gym and today's quite a long day. So first is yoga. Next is I have a haircut appointment. And then after that, yung party naman ng Lana and Wim. And then, ano ba? I have to quickly drop by Lecat and then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy day in the life video na to. And this is actually my first time. I'm trying my best to not be awkward for this year. Okay, so yeah. Okay, let's stop recording. Let's drive safely. Bye. On my way to the gym. And yes, I'm taking the stairs kasi I'm that person na one flight lang, mag-stairs na. But not for leg day, of course. Tinamad ako magluto. Napadaan ako sa Mr. Liempo. So, bumili na ako ng liempo. The favorite liempo ko siya of all time. And what's better is na-recognize ako ni Kuya and alam niyang hindi ako nagpapalagay ng in-order ko sa plastic. So, binalot na lang niya ng ganito. It's still foil though, pero at least it's better than plastic. Good job, Mr. Liempo. So, I don't think I can make it sa hairstylist today kasi change of plans. Nag-visit kami dun sa renovation ng room and kulang pa ng tiles and
baseboard.
And baseboard. So, we're on our way to All Home to get stuff. Ang mahal ng baseboard, 740.
Murang baseboard.
Too much. Thank you. Bigyan mo nga siya pa kayo Last agenda for today is Lana and Wim Christmas.